Sew the perfect summer shorts with me. You'll find the link to the pattern shop in the description. Let's start by adding some fusible stay tape to the pocket edges. It'll help you press the folds more easily and stop the fabric from stretching when you sew the pocket on. I really recommend using this kind of reinforcement. It makes things so much easier. Overlock all the pocket edges, but skip the one that goes into the side seam. That one will be sewn in later. Go ahead and overlock all your stitched seams. Don't forget the leg hems and the waistband too. Now we're moving on to creating the elastic casing at the waistband. Fold the edge of the pants along the notch from the pattern and press it in place. Make sure you're folding at the correct notch. You don't want to mix them up. There should be a bit of fabric left above the elastic to create a cute ruffle at the top. Don't forget to leave a small gap, just a few centimeters, so you can easily thread the elastic through later. If you don't have elastic in the right width, don't worry. Just trim it down to the size you need and finish the edge with your overlocker. Slide a small piece of elastic into the casing to help you mark where the top of the tunnel should be stitched. This step is really helpful because it makes sure there's enough space above the elastic to create a pretty little ruffle after it's all threaded through. It'll make the final look of the waistband much neater and give it that nice finished touch. Now pull the elastic all the way through and secure the ends with a strong stitch. Go over it a few times to make sure it holds well. Time to hem the legs. Turn the shorts inside out and fold up the fabric at the notch, then press it in place. Next, sew all the way around to secure the fold and keep it from unrolling. Make sure this seam stays hidden underneath the final fold, the one that'll show on the outside and give us that cute decorative finish. Thanks for watching. Stay with me a little longer and subscribe to my channel. That way, you'll always be up to date with my latest projects. Ooh-hoo! And don't forget to check out the tutorial for the tie front top that matches these shorts perfectly. Create the ultimate summer set and stand out with KSTN.studio. See you soon.